Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something really cool, the new ShortMax mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Stick with me until the end so you can see how it works and where you can get it. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more updates like this. As you can see on the screen, I already have the mod installed. There's a little gear icon which opens the special mod menu. Inside this menu, you get access to a lot of features that are not available in the normal version. The main one that most of you will love is unlimited coins. Just by activating it here, you can instantly fill up your balance with the maximum amount of coins, making everything a lot easier and way more fun. But that's not all. The menu has some extra tweaks and options that improve your gameplay and give you full control over the app. Now, if you want to get this mod yourself, here's what you need to do. Open any browser on your phone, since this works on both Android and iOS. But in this example, I'm using Safari. Go to the site called appheaven.top. Once you're there, you can either use the search bar or just scroll down until you see the ShortMax mod. Tap on it and then just install it to your device. The installation is very straightforward. And if you run into any issues, there are extra instructions available right there on the site to help you out. That's it, really simple. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If the mod works for you, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.